What's up, boys and girls? In today's video I will be unboxing and setting up the Xbox Series S and the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 steering wheel. So let's get right to it. This is the 1 terabyte model. I was not expecting it to be so compact. We got the wires, HDMI cable, and then the batteries, of course. All matte black. It's clean. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox the racing wheel. This is a nice steering wheel in terms of aesthetics. Now that's out of the way, let's go ahead and set them up. Got Xbox out of the way, let's go ahead and set this up. The platform I'm going to be clamping this on is this. Right underneath. One thing I noticed about this wheel was that it was straightforward and easy to set up. I just had to connect a USB cable to the Xbox, and that was it. No power supply needed, unlike the other steering wheel. So yeah, it was super easy to set up. The pedals, they're made out of plastic. It's lightweight, it doesn't really move around. Since I have both of my feet planted on them, I can just press them as hard as I want and they won't move around. You can also change the position of the pedals if you want. Besides that, let's get to racing. It's got a 90-degree turn. This setup, I would say, is good for anyone that wants a disposable, inexpensive setup that also looks good. The metal shifters on the back, they definitely add a bit of quality feel to the steering wheel. Not saying it feels cheap, though it is made out of plastic. It feels pretty good. You know, it's got rubbery sides right here. Over here it's rubbery, flat bottom, looks good, and I would say it feels good too. So
I see a festival that never ends. It's not your dream holiday anymore. It's your dream life. That's the horizon I see. Welcome to autumn, a new beginning for the festival that never ends. Don't go anywhere, Horizon is here to stay.
the steering wheel is precise. The buttons, all of the pedals, and the steering wheel, they're all responsive. Everything works like it's supposed to. The brake and the accelerator is easy to press. They both have almost the same amount of resistance.
Alright guys, this'll be easy. Just don't
The accelerators are a little easier to press. Even though there's no force feedback here, there is some resistance to the wheel. And you do have to put some effort when you turn. Actually, the pedals are sliding a little bit. If I'm driving aggressively, yeah, it's gonna be sliding a little bit, so. But for now, I can definitely play this game and still enjoy it. This right here, the start button, the engine start button, is also a D-pad. I've actually never played this game, but it looks good. Pedals work wonderfully. And it's got a nice click to it as well. Excuse my terrible driving, by the way, guys. It's snowing outside.